What's going on, everyone? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an llms.txt file to Shopify, but in a way that allows you to basically override or modify the standard Shopify version that Shopify is adding to these stores. So I actually made a video, this one over here, where I explained it. And even since then, there's been like a little bit of a change where Shopify is generating, standard LLMs. And my guy over here has asked, is it possible to edit or modify the llms.txt file, which is auto-generated? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just going to do this kind of like on the fly, super quick. This isn't going to be a proper production value video, but let me show you how to do it. So this store here is a store that I've worked on, and to show you, this store only has the basic Shopify, like the pre-built llms.txt file. So this is it. So basically, like, Shopify creates one of these for all these websites. So we want to override this, because even if you add like the external file and you create a redirect, this is now still the thing that shows up. So let me show you how to edit this. So what you want to do is you just want to do this a little bit more intentionally, but create the copy for the llms.txt file. You can use an LLM of your choice to do that. And all you're going to need to do is generate the copy and then grab the copy. And then what you're going to do is come over to the website on Shopify, click on themes to your theme editor. And then what you're going to do is you are going to edit the code of your live theme. Let's give that a sec. All right, now once it's open, what you're going to do is click on the templates drop down over here, and then click on add file. Then what you're going to do is add llms.txt.liquid. Press enter, add it in there, and then it'll pop up here. And then just go ahead and paste the copy that you created and click on save. Give that a second. And then what you're going to do is you can come back to this here and you can refresh it, and then you can see this is the new copy that you've added. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Again, shout outs to my guy over here for bringing this up. I'm obviously have a link to this. I'll put this in a pinned comment in this video here so everyone can find it. But yeah, thanks for watching.